straight? You guys talking? Yeah? What? No? Why is that like that? Okay, guys, can you hear me? Hear me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go live in the AMA now, too. Please just set up. Give me 1 second. Can you guys hear me, though? You guys hear that music? I hope you can. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Screen share. On the video, yo, what's up, guys? Can I share my screen now? Okay, it's not. Guys, I'm not on my setup today. I'm on Luca's setup. So you're gonna watch me struggle here for maybe a second or two, maybe 3 or 4. All right, fire. Can you guys see it? Perfect. Can you guys see it? Hear me? All the above. Let's get this chat and confused. You guys will be here now. Got a lot of conversations going on now, but what am I do with it? Right? What am I do with it? Alright. Get some fucking BMW outside. You guys can hear me? Let's do. You guys can hear me? See the chart? That's all I care about. Edgar, I'm not muted. Yeah, up. Is the mic too far, guys? Too far? Can you hear me better? 1 2 1 2. Ahmad, stop playing. All right, let's get it. Charts are looking good, guys. They are. Last week wasn't bad. It wasn't amazing, but it wasn't bad. I still ended up a little bit, but again, I expect to kill it this week, and let's go down through it. We are overextended, guys, on both UK 100 and DAX. I like that. Screen share not showing. Fuck. Everyone else in Discord, you agree, right? Discord's not showing? Or, I mean, screen share is not showing? It is? Yes, no? Alright, hold on. Give me a second. Alright, can we see it? Oh, fuck. Hold on, chat. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Discord's tweaking out. Give me 1 second. I gotta figure this out. It's bugging. Really, that was it? Alright. Let's do this now. Fire, see it? You guys still see the screen? Still see it? Still see it? See you sharing your screen there. Alright. Can you still see it now? It's good? Yeah? Alright. Casper, Jocko, Ahmad, everyone else that's up in here. How you guys doing? I can't see how many people are in here, but are we full porting? We might. No, guys, honestly, it's looking really, really good. I haven't really taken too close of a look at the higher time frames, but just an overall, just like quick little rundown of the lower time frames already has me, I don't know, already liking it. So we can see higher time frames here. We have not yet come up and taken this high, but we have no bottom wick, which again, you guys know the daily time frame. A lot of times when there's no daily or there's no bottom or top wick, price will come down and create that. So we could see price have that momentary pullback, even if it doesn't necessarily go all the way down. I think it could. Again, we have these gaps sitting down here within this overextended leg, and that's a big thing too. Price is overbought. So I do think price could end up pulling back. And what are we going to look for? I'm really going to look for a break of this low, I think, just to really confirm that price is looking to sell. And again, stops are really going to depend on how price plays out within the next 7 minutes, because hopefully price does come up, fill this gap, and then come down, because ultimately we could shorten stops. But stops as of right now would be this big. I don't want that to happen, so hopefully we can shorten them as we kind of come into London Open. And then London Open, if we get that break here, again, we're entering aggressive and we're looking to target. What the fuck was that? We're looking to target Asia lows, but in this case, I'd probably just target filling in this gap here. And again, that's just a 101. So I'm fine with that. Let's get it there. Let's go to UK 100 now. So what's the daily time frame? UK 100, all-time highs. Not only that, we again did not create a bottom one, so we could come down, create that again. Granted, it's UK 100, we may not do that, so keep that in mind. But let's break it down to the hourly. Again, we are sitting within this new high. We made this new high here. You guys see we broke structure, and again, you guys know how price moves in waves, right? The chart's not there. What the fuck? Oh my. Give me a second, dude. I was really going in. Okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. Don't clown. Don't clown. Why is this shit tweaking? Oh. You guys just see Discord? Can you guys see my screen now? Can you guys see the charts now? Charts? Charts good? Please tell me. Please, 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 please. Can you guys see it or no? Setting. Discord servers these few seconds faster than YouTube. It might be, yeah. Discord, can you see it or can you not see the charts? Tell me now. Don't drop out. Oh, you guys are typing. Hold on. Yeah? Oh, okay. I'm caught up to speed, guys. No, just kidding. The setup's actually great. Oh. Someone disconnected from a different fucking location. Basically meaning Luke kept connected. Can you guys hear me and see me? Luca! We good? We good? We good? We good? Luca got on. We good? Can you guys see me? Hear me? We can see nothing. Oh. Okay, we good now? Can you guys hear me? See me? Yes? No? Tell me. Tell me. Can hear you but see nothing. One more time, guys. I'm tired of this. Tired of this. I think that's it. It's because Luca accidentally connected. Which I didn't even know it would disrupt it like it did, but it did. That's what it is. Good now? See screen? Alright guys. Thankfully we still have time. You can see it? Okay. So I'm expecting this to happen, and this is what I was just about to break down is I expect FTSE to drop just like DAX. And again, we could still definitely catch DAX, but one thing we have to look for is we don't want UK 100 to make its full move before DAX can give us entry, because again, UK 100 can then manipulate what DAX does from there. But ultimately, guys, we are overextended or overbought, you could say. Price needs to have a pullback if London Open does give us that bearish entry, which it's giving us it now, but I'm not going to enter early. I'd be willing to enter to target either Asia lows or just to fill this area of imbalance. And again, I think that's what I'm going to do here on DAX, but at this low. But again, if DAX is super slow coming into this London Open and UK 100 has already made that full move, I could be a bit more hesitant. Doesn't necessarily mean I'm not going to take the trade, but you know, UK 100 looks really nice. I'm not in this, guys. I'm not in this, by the way. You guys can see it, right? Everyone can see it, hear me. Discord, yes. YouTube, I'm sorry. Hasn't been reading it. DAX sells, yes. DAX sells. Discord, tell me one more time. Can you guys hear me, see me? Wow. Discord, you got me worried. Can you hear me? Can you see the charts? Please. Okay. All right. We're chilling. We're chilling. Again, this is why we don't enter early. Price could fake us out here. Price could end up running bullish on both of these. And this is why it's so important to wait for that London Open. And again, you guys know sometimes I will enter early, but even then, I'm still getting data on that to see if it's truly worth it. Because I do enter a couple seconds early sometimes, and it has played out for me sometimes, and sometimes it hasn't. Granted, data is going to really show me in the long run if it's going to be worth it to continue doing that, or just really strictly wait for that 12 o'clock open. A lot of times that I have entered early is because I'll set a limit and price will unexpectedly get a lot of volume pre-open and just enter me in. But again, no excuse. But UK 100 is looking good again. Hopefully, price does play out to our bias. Again, it will tell us that the system's there and we have nothing to worry about as far as our overall analysis. But what happens, guys? What did UK 100 do? UK 100 just came up and filled that gap, but it could just run higher. Again, that's why I don't enter early, or at least that early. Right? Do my entry. I still like it. UK 100 again just could have come up, fill that gap, and it could be flipping. But again, that's good for us on DAX. Right, you could enter earlier at this break here. Okay. But I also don't like, again, that we have this gap here, but I do think price is just going to jump here, guys. So go for that. Again, hopefully UK 100 just runs with us. We were just filling this gap. And now we can look down lower, which again, you could still enter here if you feel comfortable with that. Granted, that's not my system, so I'm not in yet. Hasn't placed me in. Chart disappeared. Donde está chart? No fucking way, guys. I'm in. I'm in, by the way. If you can hear me, I'm in. What is it up to, man? I'm in. Can you guys see this? Why is it doing this, guys? I don't know why. There. I'm in. Those. Again. Better. It's pissing me off. Good. I like those guys. Let's see what happens. Got it. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good week to a mod. Pro next concentrate 4 minutes. Nico, thank you. I know. That's the one thing I gotta like especially when I'm trying to set up for live, do this, and that. Like sometimes I catch myself slipping on just being locked in, but guys. I like this entry. I'm comfortable with this. Can you guys still see my live? Hopefully. UK 100 is not looking bad. I'm not in UK 100, but I am hoping to see price continue to top wick here and flip. Granted, it doesn't have to do that, and it doesn't have to do that here. Guys, today is not today, but Sundays into Mondays typically are the days that we see more losses than usual, just because slower price action, a little choppy. Again, price doesn't necessarily have to do what we want at the end of the day, but again, I have good risk. I'm willing to shoot here. Price is looking phenomenal, so I'm just really going to shoot for that 101. I mean, we actually could hold for more than a 101 if price just blows through that 101 point, which is just right here. If price just blows through this, and I can just ride stop loss or down and just trail stop loss into to fill this entire gap, then I'm going to do so. So what is JR30? It's DAX indice, right? So UK 100 not looking the best, but again, UK 100 and DAX don't typically have to do the same thing. Yeah, it'd be nice to see them do the same things because sometimes they just tend to move similar, but we'll see, guys. And price could still flip on us. Price looked good off the rip, and it still seems to look good. And I like the overall reaction. And within this next 30 seconds, I hope we get that, again, a little bit more of a bearish closure where price does show some good volume to the downside rather than bottom wicking like it is. But it's not a bad thing. DAX and Jerry, yeah, they're the same thing. Sorry to say both things sometimes. They have DAX and DQ 100 futures. Yeah, they do, but like Top Step doesn't have. They don't offer it. YouTube, you guys good over here? YouTube good? Sorry, guys. Discord, you guys still good? Can you guys still see my screen? Hopefully. We'll see, guys. Price could end up coming into drawdown, and the reason being is, again, we have that opening gap that we create. And we do see price sometimes come back top wick into that and then come back down. Again, we'll see. Hopefully price just dumps. Again, we have a massive gap to fill. We seem to kind of push bearish overall, especially once price does break this low. That'll give me a little bit more confirmation that price should push at least into that 101 area, and then we can just secure for the day. So beautiful closure on UK 100 as well. Again, if you guys want to enter this, by all means, go for it. Am I going to enter it? No, but you definitely could. Again, stops at the high. TP to fill this gap. You're still going for more than a 1-1. I agree, Nick. I feel like you should be going down to fill that gap. Yeah, but again, it doesn't have to, guys. Like, it's a beautiful trade. Yes. It's most likely going to win. Yes. If it doesn't, that's fine. We have good risks. We'll come back tomorrow. But granted, we should walk away with the win. Tomorrow we can come back. And then again, it's just the same thing early. Got the short early. Nice, Ahmad. It's just the same thing over and over and over. So, and it's super simple. Again, what we're targeting, Asia lows. In this case, we don't have to shoot all the way to Asia lows. And the reason we don't have to shoot that far down, did the screen go away? It did. Fucking A. I literally just watched it go away, dude. I kid you not. It's actually, dude, you're about to see crash out. There we go. All right. Better, boys, better. Ladies and gentlemen. Good. Tell me up. I'll go back into my rant. All right. So, like I said, yes, our overall target is these lows. Why liquidity? But granted, a lot of times you don't have to shoot into those lows because, again, it's trading. Nothing's promised. And you'll see a lot of times price will come in and fill these gaps that are created and then just flip back up. And even if it doesn't flip back up and just run into profit or like run all the way back up, it'll at least momentarily have a reaction off of that. And you don't really want to see that. But price is looking solid, guys. That's our 101. Once we get to that point, I may just exit out of it, call it a day. We'll see. Unless price just absolutely just blows through it and I can just continue to trail my stop. But again, we'll see. So TK100 doing. Hopefully it's selling. Wow, it's selling. Again, come in here with your own system, guys. You don't necessarily have to get into one I do, but granted, if you like it, you like it. But again, I like this. I'm not taking it. I could have, but let's see what happens. Give me a second, guys. Sorry. What's happening? So there are two pairs you usually stick to. Yes, only two pairs. Only two pairs. Talking this is what would over risk in my opinion. Wait, what? What do you mean over risking? Price giving a crazy reaction. Again, that's not necessarily a bad thing. We'll see what happens. Price is still okay. We have a minute left for this closure, but granted, we're fine. It would be over risk in your opinion. Damn, I like this. What do you mean you like this cartooning? What is he talking about? Okay. I know who Jay Guapo is. Little late, don't hate me, cartooning. I hate you. I meant taking FTC as well as DAX. Yeah. Okay, yeah, guys. I mean, granted, I could have taken FTC, and I can't lie, I did enter on another account. But the reason I didn't tell you guys that is because I don't want you to enter based off my own opinion, especially when I'm taking a riskier trade, and especially when I have multiple accounts that I can trade across and be fine if I lose one. Which in this case, one trade isn't gonna make me lose one, but I did enter DAX. You guys know that. You guys know now I'm in the UK 100, but granted, I'm not necessarily gonna count it as something I'm calling on stream, but just in DAX, we'll say that. But again, they both look good, so let's hopefully see both of them continue to sell off and continue that bearish trend and just hopefully pump with some volume. Again, UK 100 is the mover, so if I can get out of UK 100 at that 101, obviously I am. But let's hope they just both just run. So what y'all up to today? What y'all got going on? How's your weekend, guys? Guys, Luca's gonna have a pretty dope vlog coming out soon. I'm gonna have a pretty dope vlog coming out soon. Probably this next week. So get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. It'll be cool. How many people are in the AMA? Can someone tell me? I can't see. Actually, never mind. Don't tell me. I can see. I have a phone right here. Oh, 32 of you. You guys are amazing. Hopefully you guys are winning with me. Granted, don't get happy too early. And I always say this because price could just flip here. Again, be emotionless. So it's still trading at the end of the day, but price should end up coming down, filling this gap on both of these. What in the fuck just happened? No way, bro. Okay, what happened? I freaked out. I forgot Luca's sleeping, guys. Honestly, like I'm okay. Like, need a Can you guys see my screen and see me? What? Oh, you guys can see me for the first time. What? Can you guys see my screen now too? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day. I was, but come over because of the glitch. I think I woke up. I forgot. I get too excited. I get too excited. Too much energy. Pumping, flowing. All right, come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. Zamir Dax looking like NQ. Guys, I'm telling you, if you guys have not traded Dax in UK 100 during London session, you're missing out. I'm like, you can go into my YouTube, or I stream on Luca's YouTube, but you can go in there, you can go to my community, and you can ask them how we've been doing. We've been fucking killing it. Just, it's beautiful. Just, again, super simple targeting or using previous session highs and lows or previous day highs and lows to find better entry and exit points. In this case, we already manipulated Asia highs. So again, we know that if price were to react in a bearish manner at London Open, we could expect price to possibly then come and now manipulate buy side, right? But in most cases, price doesn't have to come all the way down. So I'm content out of 101 or once price fills in this entire gap, because price could just fill that gap and flip. But we'll see. So price looking good again. Hopefully we can just continue to see price dump looking good here. Get out on both. Call it a 2W win. And again, this is why I said be consistent, guys, is because let's say if we do win today, and again, I'm not going to say we are going to win yet because I'm not going to get my hopes up. I know it's trading. Price could come and not even take me out or not get to my TP. But be consistent. Why? Because you never know when there's going to be a day where I have 2 wins or 3 wins or 4 wins. I mean, granted, I'm not going to take 4 trades in a day, but I'm just saying, right? Yeah, last week it was break even. I still ended good, actually. My winning day was still bigger than my losing day, but it was still technically break even, as far as it was 1 break even trade, 1 loss, 1 win, right? Guys, looking solid. I can't lie. I think I'm gonna be out on Dak right now. Not yet though. We're pumping, but we're pumping. We're going. I'm closing. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I got a great entry. I'm out there, right at that low. I'm out here too. Got on them both. I'm content with that. Closing other accounts. Give me a second. Granted, I still think Bang 2 wins. You missed the dub, Chris. Oh, Chris. We're out on Dax and we're out on UK 100. Granted, we didn't get. I had a really good entry, guys, and I had a pretty decent risk on this trade, so I'm comfortable exiting there. Again, I don't need much. We're just looking for that simple push. Granted, I still think price could come down and take these lows and fill this entire gap. And by all means, if you want to hold. I still have 1 position in on 1 account on UK 100. So I literally just have stops at this high here. Okay. But again, I may just close because I'm kind of content. So W's. Fire. Can't complain with that, guys. Started out the week right. We did start it off right. Again, I hope you guys took it. Even if you didn't, I hope you still came in here and learned something. Again, it's simple. We're just looking for price to give us a certain reaction, and we already have a bias based on what price has already, again, given us, and then we're just reacting. We're reacting. If we get it, we're in, we're out. If we don't get it, again, we sit on our hands. Price would have went bullish, I wouldn't buy. Again, I don't have a bias. Why? Because I know how price moves. Price moves in waves, pullbacks, continuations. You guys know this. So if price is clearly overextended, you can only expect a pullback, right? Hey, it's only 25. Just be here next time. And again, I'll tell you when I'm going to enter previously too, so you can react on it without having to hear me say I'm in. All right. So like in this case here, I told you guys, once price breaks that area at London Open, I'm in, right? You risk 90%. What? What do you mean 90? Yeah, bull trade's still looking good. I think I fucked up like the. Again, guys, I'm here every day during the week. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, 11:45 p.m. PST. Again, I was a little bit late today, just because I'm at Luca's setup, but I'll be back on my setup, I believe. I think so. Let's run it up again tomorrow. Beautiful day, beautiful. Again, if you're in the Legacy Discord, just be ready because once Legacy's out, we're gonna be running it up on Tax UK100 because again, ask my YouTube chat. This is literally all we do. It's the same thing on rinse and repeat. If I was on my charts, I literally have not erased any drawings. I can go back and you will just see just probably at this point 50 to 100 trades of just textbook into previous session highs or low or just to fill a gap. In this case, these are higher probability trades. The reason being is because not only do we have a very high point of liquidity to target, we also have a gap that we know what price tends to fill in these gaps. On top of that, we're overextended. Price tends to facilitate pullbacks once price is overextended. I mean, it's just understanding the simple aspects behind price action. And again, like a lot of people aren't necessarily how do I say this? They don't like breakout trading. I used to not like breakout trading because someone can look at this and be like, you're breakout trading. Yes, I'm waiting for a breakout, but realistically, I'm just trading price action. But I'm just using a breakout as a confirmation that price is definitely trending within this direction. And because it's at London Open, where there's increased volume, price should move for that 101. That's all I'm looking for, right? So, with that being said, no, I don't understand. That being said, guys, I'm out of here. Again, if you're still in UK 100, it's running good. I still think DAX is bound to pull back too. I mean, continue down, but price could end up pulling back, filling some gaps. But granted, I do think price is going to fill this whole gap. I'm out. I'm content. Beautiful day, guys. I cannot be mad with today. So, that being said, guys, I'm out of here. I'll see every single one of you guys tomorrow. Oh my God, UK 100 is still running, guys. Beautiful. You guys are all amazing. I'm out of here. See you guys tomorrow, 11:45 p.m. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, again, I'll send it into the Discord. It's NiicksFX on Instagram. Shoot it over. You guys are amazing. I'm out of here. Well, gotta actually end it. You know what I'm saying? What's up, chat? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm kind of hyped. Hopefully, there's no like baddies in here looking at me fucking get all fucking goofy and geeky and shit. You know? When's the secret New York stream? Jocko, don't tell him about that, bro. Me and Jocko have made over fucking 6 figures in the last month trading New York secretly behind your backs. Shh, Jocko, shh. Chill, Jocko. What the fuck, man? Jocko always leaking the sauce. All right, guys. Hope you got that W. Jocko, tell me how much you made. How much you made, but I think you left. All right, guys. You guys are amazing. Gentlemen, sorry, I had to do something else. I'm out of here, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Beautiful win. Great way to start the week. Already on a win streak, technically. If Cartoony's still in here, fuck you, Cartoony, for joining in late. Everyone else is amazing besides you, Cartoony. But I'm kidding. It's all love. I'm out of here. Peace.